Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Sorry I'm a few days over on getting this new time lapse up. I've been really wanting to get this new video finished up for you guys, and I'm happy to finally have it up here. This is a black and white oil painting done in grayscale on canvas, and basically it's part of a portrait series I've been doing, and it's the third in this series. And this is one I was excited to post because it sort of has a raw and real feel to it, sort of a natural feel, I guess. And that's what I love about the portrait and the way it reflects the woman. You know, how women can be in their natural state and their getting ready moments, the little moments. So with this painting, she has curlers in her hair, and she's sipping on a tea and probably getting ready for the evening, or maybe even getting ready for work during the day. Maybe the makeup's on her eyes already. And I think this is relatable to a lot of women, so I think it will resonate with them primarily, and even men can appreciate sort of the beauty in those little moments, those little in between daily life moments kind of thing. I don't know why, but I feel there's something super desirable about those little in-between moments when a woman is more natural and getting ready to present herself to the world. So in this, approaching this new series, I found a way to tie in painting to my sort of drawing strengths. My background wasn't really in painting, but it was primarily in drawing. So back in the day when I went to college painting school and whatnot, animation and graphic design school, I'd studied life drawing. And as a kid, I loved to draw figures and superheroes. I would make my own stories and comic books, and I just loved drawing the figure. I was really, I don't know why, it was more challenging, and I loved doing all the muscles and all the little intricacies and whatnot. And so back then I tended to draw in obviously pencil and black and white and inks when I was doing the comic stuff. So when it came over to painting and color and whatnot, I definitely had a big learning curve to sort of get over. But my background in drawing definitely helped. So I feel more at home when I can focus on details and shading, and I like to render, and I love the contrast, and when you can start to see the depth of that kind of thing coming together. Breaking things down to grayscale tones is a great way to capture some more mood and overall feeling, and I feel this can add a modern flair to an artwork, and give it a contemporary vibe and sort of something edgy and stylish, and you know, almost a touch provocative. So with having a lot going on, as some of you guys know, a few weeks can go by in between paintings and getting that next idea, especially with being involved in career and music as another outlet for creative expression, which I do. But when I paint and get back to it, it's just such a great experience. I don't know, I tend to find a sense of peace and connect with more of the core of who I am, so I feel it can be a very great way of recharging. So my aim this year is to paint and draw as much as possible, and to keep documenting as much of it as I can. So I'm definitely excited about this idea, and I've been getting out more to Toronto and Montreal to get more immersed in the overall art scene. So thanks so much for watching, and feel free to ask me any questions about the process or anything you guys want to know, and keep on creating and keep on dreaming.